What's up YouTube? Welcome to the channel Appalachian Smokewagon. Thanks for clicking. Today we've got the next project for the channel in this box. We're going to unbox it. It's something I've been wanting to do for a while. Well, let's just unbox it and see. Spyderco Paramilitary 2. It's got my address on the other side, so I'll make sure I don't show it. Let's see if we can get this out of here. If you don't mind, smash that subscribe button for me. It really helps. Packing sheet. I hope there's no addresses in here. Alright. You can see where it's from. They had a sale, I don't know, I think it was a one-day sale, but Dissipator upper. And of course it's a flat top, it's not a carry handle upper, but I am going to put a bolt-on carry handle on it. I do have triangle handguards coming for this, an A2 fixed stock, so we're going to do a Dissipator build or a fake Dissipator build and just try this upper out. Everything looks pretty good. I do have a bolt carrier group for it. I have to get a lower. I'm going to get a lower. I may take it out and throw it on my the lower I've got my BCM upper on and just try it out, break it in a little bit while I'm in the process of getting an upper or a lower. But so far it looks pretty solid. It's actually a mid-length gas system. It's not the real Dissipator with the rifle length gas system. Actually the gas block's right here. It's mid-length. 16-inch barrel, super long handguard. I always thought Dissipators looked really cool, and I looked on YouTube and there's a ton of Dissipator videos. I guess they call them Dissies now. They're pretty popular, but I wanted to build one and see how it comes out, see how it shoots. I'm kind of not sure because this is going to have a mid-length gas system and it's going to have a full-length rifle buffer system. I don't know if that will work. If you guys know in the comments if that'll work, let me know. I see a lot of these built with the mid-length gas system with the full-size fixed stock, full-size rifle buffer. I hope it'll make it shoot super soft, but for the price they was running these things at, I couldn't pass this up. I'll look through the barrel. Looks good. I mean, everything looks straight to the eye. A2 muzzle brake. It's got the fixed front sight. This is going to be super cool. I can't wait to get this done. Like I said, I do have the black triangle, like Vietnam style handguard for this, which I really like. I think it'll really complete the look. And I'm debating on, should I camo paint this or should I just leave it black? Let me know in the comments what you guys would do. Would you paint it a cool camo or would you leave it black? Because I'm still undecided on that. I have a straight 20 round magazine ordered and I'll try to order a couple more of those. I've got a A1, or I think it's an A1 hand grip, so it's going to be a super cool build. It's going to look pretty cool. I don't know what we're going to call it, the fake Dissipator maybe. And I'm looking into getting one of the, it's a Meprolite sight that comes with a carry handle mount where your sight co-witnesses with your carry handle and your front sight post. I think those look pretty cool, like the old school carry handle mounts with the old Trichicon on it. I recently looked for one of those and they're kind of unobtainium now, and it's hard to tell how much they would be if you could find one. But I'm super excited about this. Stay tuned to the channel for more on this once we get it together. I may take it to the range sometime soon and just throw it on my completed lower and just function test it, see how she's running. But this is going to be a super cool build. I'm super ready for this. I wanted to build a dissipator for a long time, and now's the time. So, or a fake dissipator. So thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Stay tuned for more content on this, and make sure you subscribe. Thank you guys.